Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we have an amazing tutorial that's perfect for anyone looking to speed up their internet connection. If that's what you're after, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving into how to import a slow DNS config on Dark Tunnel VPN, which can give you a faster, more secure browsing experience. And hey, if you want more VPN tips and hidden tricks, be sure to check out our blog. Don't forget to support us by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. Let's jump right into it. First up, we need to download the slow DNS configuration file. So open your browser and type UDP custom into the search bar. Look for the official site in the results and click on it. Now, once you're on the home page, click on the menu button in the top right corner to expand the options and select slow DNS files. When a small window opens, find and click on Dark Tunnel Config. At this point, a 10-second countdown will start. Once it finishes, the download button will appear. Click it and you'll see a page listing various slow DNS config files. Choose the latest one available, click on it to open the download page and hit the download button. In just a few seconds, the file will be downloaded to your device. Now that we have our configuration file, let's make sure you have the Dark Tunnel VPN app installed. Head over to the Play Store, search for Dark Tunnel, and select it from the results. Tap the install button, and once the download is complete, open the app to get started. Alright, you're now on the Dark Tunnel VPN homepage. To start importing your slow DNS config, click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner to expand the menu list. Choose the config option, and a new window will pop up. Next, click the Import button, followed by Select File, which will open your device's download folder. Look for the slow DNS config file you downloaded earlier and click on it. In just a few seconds, the file will be imported automatically. With the file successfully imported, you're ready to connect. Simply click the Connect button, and Dark Tunnel VPN will establish a secure and fast connection using the imported slow DNS config. Congratulations! You now have a faster and more secure internet connection at your fingertips. We hope this tutorial was helpful in getting you set up with Dark Tunnel VPN for faster browsing. If you found value in this guide, please remember to like, subscribe, and share with friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.